Meaning of experimentally.
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 Experimentally. The term experimentally refers to something that is done as part of an experiment, trial, or test. It indicates that the results of the activity are not yet fully understood or proven, and further experimentation or analysis may be required. For instance, if we say that a new medication is being tested experimentally for a particular condition, it means that it has not been officially approved and its effectiveness and safety are still uncertain. In summary, experimentally refers to an activity that is done as part of an experiment or test, where the results are not yet fully known, and further investigation may be needed.